And happy Saturday to everyone. And I hope you are doing fine, healthy, and safe.
So and keep wearing masks if you're going outside.
Yes.
And wear gloves. Must run.
And then today I'm gonna show you on how I make my bicol express. Okay? So for this bicol express, the following ingredients that we will be using are, Isabella will show you.
So this is
I have a chopped of green chili, red chili. I'm using the bird eye chilies. And of course 1 can of coconut milk. This is about 400 ml. Again, I don't have fresh one. This is easily available in the market in Dubai.
And we have an onion.
And we're gonna use chopped garlic.
And then chopped onion.
Yes. And I have here. Actually, this I have been marinated this with just lemon and salt. So it was been sitting for 30 minutes. So just lemon and salt I put in here.
Yeah.
Actually, this is ready to go. I need to cook it now for our lunch. And one more thing, lastly, we will be needing a sauted shrimp or a bagoong. Okay? So now, without further ado, please keep on watching. Now our pan is heated up, so our pork is ready to go. Now first, we have to dump our marinated pork inside without the oil because the pork has already contained fat. So as you can see, there's fat in the pork. Doesn't require oil.
No, I cannot do it.
Then let's just saute this until become change color or like brown.
Now it's coming hot.
And now, as you can see, this is what I want. So now it's like brown. So now we have to remove this from the pan. So now we are still using the same oil from the pork. Now we have to dump our onion. This is a 1 chopped medium size of onion. And cook this until translucent. And then followed by garlic, chopped garlic. And just saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Then on this stage, we can add our sauted shrimp or bagoong. Just saute for 1 minute. And then now we have to put our pork back in a pan. And mix well. Now it's time to put our coconut milk. Okay. Leave it simmer. I'm not adding any salt because my sauted shrimp is already salty. So this is perfect. So now just simmer this for around 10 minutes. And now this time we have to put our chopped bird eye red chili. And just give a good mix. Then again, we have to simmer this for another 5 minutes. We have to cover it and simmer. So now, this is perfect. As you can see, oh my god, looking so spicy. So now, time to taste if it's okay. So hot. I don't need, oh, spicy. I don't need to add more salt. It was perfect for us. So now we do the plating. So now guys, this is my Bicol Express. This is how it is. Looking so spicy guys. As you can see, it's lots of chilies in it. So let's have a lunch. That's all for today guys, and this is the recipe which is very quick and easy to make that I could able to share with you today, and I hope you like my Bicol Express. So, and I'll see you to my next one guys. Bye.
Please like,